So initially signing up for MailChimp doesn't require a credit card and it doesn't actually cost anything. So here we are at MailChimp.com. Go ahead and click on sign up free. And then what it's going to do is ask you for your email. So I've created an email just to kind of demonstrate. It's called samudemy demo at gmail.com. And let's create a username. Let's say Mike's Bikes. I don't know why it's correcting it. Let's see. All right. And then a password. Make sure that everything here is properly filled out. See if there's anything missing, it's going to let you know. And then get started. Oops, looks like someone already has that username. So let's do samudemydemo at gmail.com. We'll just make our username the email address, which is also something that you can do. So let's see if we can just do that. Get started. Perfect. And then it's asking us to check our email. So we go to that email address. So let's go to gmail.com. And you'll see that we do have an activate your MailChimp account email that they've sent to us. And you go ahead and click activate account. And verify that you're not a robot. And then you will be taken to the initial screen here where you can put your name. So let's put our name, Sam. And then name of our business, let's say Sam's Bikes. Or let's just say Sam's Udemy demo. Okay. And our website, let's just say samsudemydemo.com, even though it doesn't exist. All right, and continue. Then they're going to want to know your address. So you could just fill that out. Let's say Irvine, California, and then continue. And then it asks you, does your business sell anything online? And that depends on your situation. We'll just say yes for now, and then continue. And it asks you if you'd like to connect social media accounts, which you have the option to do later or right now. But for now, let's just skip that. And then it's going to say your account is ready, and you can actually kickstart your account by doing these two things. But we're not going to go over these right now because we're going to kind of go through each of these on their own. So here we are, opened up into our account. Oops. And can close this Gmail account. And so we have the dashboard here. Let's just click on the little MailChimp logo. So here's your home page. As you can see, it's very fresh. Nothing has been done yet. And then what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you how to actually set up the billing in the next section in case you wanted to use the features of actually paying to use MailChimp. But you can use MailChimp absolutely free if you choose to. But we're going to show you the example if you were to pay $10 a month, which is what they're currently asking. So let's get to that.